LF is professional in steel structure and space frame design, manufacturing, consulting, and technical service. Products mainly used in high security civil buildings, such as stadiums, large span warehouses, and workshops, characterized by wind resistance and earthquake resistance, and the structural stress is repeatedly statically determined. Suzhou LF specializes in serving overseas markets. The customers served are distributed in the Americas, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Europe. Overseas customers and projects include ThyssenKrupp, the Presidential Office of African Countries, and the world's largest churches in Nigeria, Philippines SM, Shell Petroleum, Japan Mitsubishi, BASF. Many large span coal sheds constructed by LF had passed the safety test of Typhoon Haiyan in the Philippines in 2013. LF has been carrying out technological development and R&D of steel structures and space frame with many patents, also been approved by some institutions like BV, SGS, AWS Manufacturing Welding, Technical Assessment, International Experience, Factory Assessment, and Installation Ability, recognized by Alibaba as Strategic Cooperative Enterprise and Gold Seller for Overseas Market. LF also serves as board member of the China Steel Structure Association, vice chairman of Suzhou Cross-Border Chamber of Commerce, vice chairman of Shenzhen Chamber of Commerce, and other social positions, leading Chinese companies to overseas. The mission of LF is to make itself a respected leader in the steel structure industry. Let the customer choose LF without regret.
Now let's have a tour of our factory. These are in the process of wet machining. This is the painting of the rods. Drill a base hole for the bolt bowl. Then the bolt bowl is machinized. Bulk ball is solid. The weight is very heavy, need to be placed on the support with the aid of tools. The bulk balls are sprayed with zinc to prevent corrosion. This is dealing with sandwich panels. The process in our factory is orderly, fast and quality guaranteed. This is measuring and processing the rod. Our process is strict to ensure the fastest speed to achieve the best quality. This is LF space frame installation. Step 1. Preparation of spacing components. Step 2. Pull out high-strength bulb from steel pipe. Step 3. Install sleeve on high-strength bulb. Step 4. Combination installation of steel pipe and bulb. Step 5. Complete installation.
Glass dome is usually made of tempered laminated glass, ultra-white glass and other high-strength, high-light transmittance materials, With high transparency, good appearance, lightweight, and other advantages, the glass dome is able to change with the skylight, bringing natural and soft light into the interior while reducing the use of indoor lighting and air conditioning, saving energy. Now let's look at some of the details. These are high-strength bolts. The role of high-strength bolts in the space frame structure is mainly reflected in the connection fastening and enhancing the overall stability. These are sleeves. The sleeve is mainly used to connect the steel bar, which is to connect two or more steel bars through the sleeve to form an overall structure.
A barrel shell is a shell with a barrel-shaped appearance or barrel-shaped structure. Shell is a kind of structural form with curved shape and thickness much smaller than other dimensions, which can bear large loads and has good stability. This is the dome space frame structure coal bunker installation display. Dome coal bunker is mostly used in vertical large capacity coal bunker, and its structure can disperse the pressure evenly, so the stress performance is better. The design of dome coal bunker makes full use of its internal space, with high section utilization rate, which can store more coal. In addition, the construction of dome coal bunkers is relatively simple, and due to its structural characteristics, it is also easier to maintain. This is the hangar space frame construction simulation BIM. Main construction materials. Construction quality specification. Arrange the lifting equipment. Chest lift work. Lift. Formal jacking. Chandelier pipeline laying. Point of observation. Hangar space frame lift description. Ground space frame assembly stacks. Water and electricity installation, roof main pylon installation. Door head guide structure installation. 3D laser scanning. Space framework pre-elevation. The space frame is officially lifting. Close-up bracket. Installation of horse path. Space frame disassembly.
This is demonstration of gas station shed roof installation process.
The main structure of the space frame structure workshop is mainly composed of columns and beams connected through nodes to form a stable load-bearing system. This structural system can withstand vertical and horizontal loads, and the wall is not load-bearing, mainly plays the role of enclosure and separation. The revolving restaurant of Reunion uses a steel structure dome roof, and the LF adapts a unique design that takes into account factors such as wind speed and seismic acceleration, making the building safe and stable. High-speed railway station with grid structure is not only the core of transportation, but also a new name card for city development. From the exterior styling to the interior layout, the grid structure takes into account both functionality and aesthetics. The scientific mechanical design is wind and earthquake resistant and durable, providing a solid guard for the high-speed rail station.
The first thing you see is a spectacular panorama of an international airport in Yan'an province. The design of the terminal combines modern and traditional elements and stands in a streamlined position under the blue sky, like a phoenix with wings ready to fly, symbolizing the hospitality of the people of Yan'an and the infinite hope for the future. Entering the interior of the terminal, a spacious and bright hall with a reasonable layout is displayed in front of you. In the video, the interior decoration of the terminal is cleverly integrated into the ethnic customs of Yan'an. From murals to sculptures, every detail tells the story of the land. Yan'an Airport terminal design pays special attention to green environmental protection. The video shows the terminal roof greening, rainwater recycling system, and energy-saving lighting measures, which not only beautify the environment but also effectively reduce energy consumption. Through the huge floor-to-ceiling windows, passengers can also enjoy the natural scenery around the airport, as if they are in a moving landscape painting. The lower structure of the terminal adopts reinforced concrete frame structure. The roof and supporting roof structure are hyperboloid shape, and the quadrangle pyramidal space frame structure is adopted. The supporting structure of the roof is steel ribbon, conical steel pipe column, and variable section box swing column. The main structure of TR terminal adopts space frame structure, and the space cove network supported by concrete filled steel tube tree is used in the main building area, which not only enhances the stability of the building but also gives the building a modern aesthetic sense and a sense of space. Every departure is a new exploration, and every arrival is a yearning for a better life. The spatial framework of the cathedral is made of high-strength, corrosion-resistant steel. The steel has excellent mechanical properties and durability and can withstand a variety of loads inside and outside the cathedral, including spectator loads, wind loads, snow loads, etc. At the same time, the plasticity and workability of steel also enable the spatial frame structure of